video is brought to you by Wix, the website builder that makes your vision come to life in just a few clicks, even if you suck at tech. If you want your own custom portfolio website too, head to wix.com/artbusinesswithness to get started. Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome to Art Business with Ness. I'm Ness and I'm a children's book illustrator. In this video, I'm going over the top 5 reasons why you need your own portfolio website if you're serious about becoming a professional freelance illustrator. I personally, at first, only relied on social media profiles while I was still working at my day job at the studio. But as I tried to transition into full-time freelance work, I quickly realized that my Instagram profile just wasn't fulfilling all of the needs that I was running into, and that it just wasn't gonna cut it. So here are the reasons that I learned over the years why a portfolio website is an absolute necessity to break into illustration. But before we get started, if you're new here and you would like to see more videos like this about how to get started in illustration, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. The bell sends you a notification whenever I upload a new video, so this way you're sure that you won't miss any of the advice. Let's get into it. Number 1, credibility. A website simply says that you're a professional, that you take your art seriously, and that you're here to stay. It looks sleek, it's easy to navigate, and it really says, I got this. When you only have a free social media profile to show to a professional client, it can really appear as if you're not even really sure that this is gonna work and you're ready to bounce at any moment when it doesn't. Especially since these days, making a website isn't very difficult or expensive anymore. There are so many platforms that allows you to do it very easily. So if you're not willing to take on even this pretty small commitment, it doesn't reflect that well on you. It makes you look like you don't take this very seriously at all. Number 2, showcase your style and personal brand. On social media like Instagram, Facebook, Behance, etc., you're using someone else's platform, so you have to conform to their format. If you've ever tried to show like a wide children's book spread on Instagram square format before, then you know exactly what I mean. But it's also other things like the limited amount of space for your bio, or only being able to show one external link, etc. You have all of these limitations, but on your own website, you control the entire experience. You get to decide how many pages you have, the format of your illustrations, your colors, your fonts, your links, all of it. This allows you to showcase your art in the best possible way, to show off your style and your personal brand, and to use as many pages as you need to convince your client to work with you. Number 3, curated gallery. With social media, there's a need to keep creating continually fresh content to stay relevant. You will eventually accumulate a ton of work and a lot of posts. Whereas a portfolio needs to be a strict collection of your 10 to 15 absolute best pieces of work, chosen strategically to demonstrate very specific skills. With the needs of social media, you can't really do that, but on your own portfolio, then you can strictly curate your gallery to showcase your absolute best work. After all, as they say, your portfolio is only as good as your weakest piece. Number 4, control your marketing. A website is the perfect place to control all of your marketing strategies. You can use it to sign on people to your newsletter, control your SEO or search engine optimization. You can start a blog, use Google Analytics, or even install a Facebook pixel to run ads. And you can also add contact forms on your website so you can be extremely easy to contact. On social media, it's not always so simple. Sometimes you need to have an account on the same platform in order to be able to reach someone. Sometimes you have to dig deep inside the person's profile to find an email address. But on your own website, you can really streamline this process so that if a client wants to reach you, they have a direct line to you. And number 5, competition. On social media, your work is shown alongside millions of other artists. When a potential client is on your profile, they're only one click away from another artist's profile inside of yours. Some platforms even have like a recommended section, like if you like this image, then you will like this other image by this other person. But on your own website, you don't have to worry about that. It's all about you. And when they are there, the client is not distracted and you have the opportunity to put forth your very best arguments to convince them to hire you. So as you can see, it is very important for every artist who's serious about making a living with their art to have their very own portfolio website. And I know that creating a website can seem really intimidating at first if you have no idea how it works or how you would go about it. But website building has gone such a long way in the last decade. You no longer need to hire someone, and pay them thousands of dollars to build you a custom website. You also don't have to learn how to code or a bunch of other different tech skills. I've been really wanting to make an in-depth video into how to make a portfolio website from beginning to end, so it was really timely when the platform Wix reached out to me and asked if I would be interested to make a sponsored video with them. Now this is really exciting because Wix is a really great service and I've heard nothing but amazing things about them. So if you're not familiar, Wix is a platform that allows you to drag and drop different blocks and elements onto the page to build the website of your dreams without ever learning a single line of code. You can start from scratch or simply choose one of their hundreds of beautiful pre-made templates. The platform is incredibly intuitive. It gives you complete design freedom, and every single thing on your website can be changed or customized to match your vision. You can even add fancy things like video backgrounds, animation, or scroll effects to create an amazing website that no one will ever believe wasn't created by a professional web designer. Wix also has a built-in suite of tools to assist you with everything that a website needs: a domain name, hosting, security, analytics, marketing, and advanced SEO tools. And if you want to add an online store or a blog to your site, you can do that too. I am super excited to talk about all of these fun tools more in detail and explain exactly how it works. So what I did was I just built my own brand new website portfolio on Wix. I had so much fun playing with the Wix Editor. It was my first time using it, but it was so intuitive and responsive that it only took me an afternoon to build the whole site from beginning to end. And the best part is I filmed myself building this website every step of the way, and next week I'm going to bring you this super in-depth tutorial about the Wix platform. Get hyped because this tutorial will be awesome. So no matter how good or bad you are with tech, don't worry at all, because after next week's video, you will know exactly where to start and what to do step by step to build your very own portfolio website. So what about you? Do you have your own portfolio website already? If you do, please drop me the link in the comments below. I would love to see your portfolio. And if you don't have one yet, then wait no longer. I will leave my unique Wix link in the description to this video, so you can just head on there and get started on your own portfolio website. In the meantime, that's it for me today. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help our small channel grow. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this video, and I will see you next week with the tutorial. Bye bye!